Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, I'm joined by my helper, and we're going to be looking at markers and different coloring options. Let's get started. So when working with markers, you'll see that you have to pull open the cap and make a mark. And then you see this little guy here, so he'll close the marker back up again. Can you show us that again, honey? Go ahead. Grab another marker. So it's really important that when you open a marker, you close it back up. There he is making a mark. And then there he is closing it back up after he marks them on his hand, because that's just so fun. Which you should not do on purpose. But he's only 2. He's still learning. He doesn't quite know better. All right, go ahead, get another marker. Yeah. Thank you, honey. Show us that marker. He's going to close it. Close the marker. Wow, really good job. Look at all of these markers that he's opened and closed. I'm so proud of you. You're being very, very responsible. And that's being responsible. Is when we're using our markers, closing them back up. That's being very responsible. To be safe, we're not marking on things that we're not supposed to. So see, he's making marks on the paper. He's not making marks on the table on purpose. He's not making marks on himself on purpose. He did a little earlier on accident. He's 2. He's still learning. But you know not to. You know not to make marks on yourself. That wouldn't be very responsible, respectful. And being safe, you see how he's lining them up? He's not throwing them. He's not rolling them away. He's not letting them get all over the floor. He's being really safe and keeping them in an area so they're close and contained. Oops. You can do it. There you go. Yeah. Good job. Really proud of you for closing the markers. It's really, really responsible of you, honey. Not everyone closes the markers, and that's super, super, super good. Really little bitty markers. Yeah. They like little bitty markers. I got at the dollar store. So a really cool way to color, one of the ways I want to talk about is coloring to make it look like wood. And that's when you go up and down with lines, kind of going back and forth. And then any area that has a big area that's open like that, you're going to follow back with like a little bitty line, like a knot in the wood. Very nice. Do that in another direction. I like going that direction because of the lines on the paper. Hey, with this one's not closed. Please close that one. Thank you for trying. I can help you. You say help?
No.
Yeah, I can help you. Thank you. I love that you tried. It's okay not to be able to do something, guys, but it's not okay not to try. You should at least try when you're working with markers to keep them closed. It's okay if you don't always do it. You might need help. It's okay to get help. He's only 2. He barely knows the word help. He just learned that word. So he's still learning how to use that word. Luckily, he didn't cry or yell or go really angry. I was really proud of you for not getting super angry just now. Let's think about water. Another really cool way, fun thing to color. Do water. Do like a wiggly curve. Curvy line. And those lines can curve around. A bit more. Ooh. That's I don't mind a little mistake right there. That's alright. Yes, I can add in another color because another color is really going to help water. Look. Oh, I got you. Just decorate our paper. Oh, honey, here I get you. It's that wiggly chair, huh? There we go. Mwah. That's a falling out of the chair. Yep. Use this one. Water. Okay. Ooh. Looks like a waterfall. Okay. That's all of them! Oh, can you put them back? Oh, yeah. That's being really, really responsible putting them up when you're done. I really appreciate that. Let's look at our paper. Ooh, yeah, look, we tested out all of our markers. And check it out. I did some cool line coloring over here and some like watercolor over there. It's so pretty. Thanks so much, guys. Till next time. Keep being creative. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Yeah. Can you wave? Yeah. Say bye. Oh, you want to close it? Here, let's close it. Yay! Want to get some more? More? Yeah, we can color some more. We'll be back with another episode shortly. Bye! Bye! You say bye?